Here is the area what I have to level. Here's something bigger, but first of all I need to level this side. I already installed foam around to protect any leaks under maybe some cracks or so. And here is the laser. It showed me what it showed me. It showed me here, you see, here is a high spot. Later I will grind it a little bit, but most of problem right here. You see how it's deep, and then it's going up, and I already made a line here, you see, with pencil. So by this point I have to stop. So I need to put a little bit primer right here. So now I'm gonna install tripods and start leveling. Laser and tripods, it's really scary tools for customers, because when I installed the laser and showed them how much we have to level, they always, in stress. Another one. So you see, here is the laser, here is the tripod. So here it is. I installed tripods by this line. You see, I make it mark, because when I take off laser, I can see where is I have to stop. High spot I just smooth out, because there was tile and some grout. I just make it nice and smooth, and then after this hump I just fill up the self-leveling compound by the bottom plate on the middle of tripods. Here is the deepest spot. So if you measure here, 3/4 inch. 3/4. You see how it's easy? Visible how much self-leveling compound you have to pour. You see how easy level narrow rooms if you have special tools. Use laser, use tripods. It will help you to save money and time, because if you doing without tripods and laser, you never see how much self-leveling compound you have to put. Link to these tripods and laser you can find in description for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.